Hey guys, and welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're in the kitchen and we're making potato salad. If you're looking for the perfect side dish for your next barbecue, picnic, or any gathering, this potato salad, prepared with herbs and a creamy dressing with a secret ingredient, will sure be a crowd pleaser. So grab your pen and paper. You'll want to take notes for this one. Let's check out the ingredients. Let's take a look at those ingredients. We're going to need some potatoes, some green onions. We have some pimentos, and those are diced pimentos. We're going to need some sour cream, mayonnaise, and yes, our secret ingredient, sweetened condensed milk. This is going to be so good, I promise you. I promise you. Stick with me, stick with me. We're also going to need some lemon juice to balance everything out. And then we're going to take the spices of our choice and we're going to add those to our potato salad. And I'm using garlic powder, parsley flakes, I have some accent, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Let's make some potato salad. Once you have thoroughly washed your potatoes, poke holes in them so that they can absorb any seasonings you add to the water. I allowed my potatoes to cook for 35 minutes, and that was after they came to a boil. And that was the perfect time for the size of potato that I have. Now we're going to carefully drain them, check for doneness, and place them on a board in a single line so that they can cool to room temperature. Our potatoes are now cool enough to handle, and when I tell you they cut like butter. If you haven't tried this method, please do yourself a favor and give it a try. It is absolutely the best technique to making potato salad. Now we're just going to cut them into bite-sized chunks, and that's about 2 inches thick. And you have the perfect potato for potato salad. This is how you know you have the perfect doneness. You can just press it right between your fingers. Okay, we got all of our prep work out of the way. Let's get into this dressing. So we're going to start off with a cup of mayonnaise. And you can use the mayonnaise of your choice. It doesn't matter. And we're going to place that into a measuring cup. And we're going to follow that up with a half a cup of sour cream, along with a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Then we're going to add some lemon juice. Now I have a fresh lemon, but you can also use lemon juice. And when I tell you, this is one of the best dressings for potato salad, you're going to really, really enjoy this. And you know, just take it and jazz it up and make it your own. This is just a base that I'm giving you. And I have like 5 different ways that I make potato salad. And my goodness, I absolutely love this one, especially for those summer picnics and barbecues. Very, very good. So when you're using a fresh lemon, you can use your hands. My hands are clean. You can use your hands to catch those seeds. Guys, please give this recipe a try, and please let me know if you've tried this before. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so we're just going to mix our dressing up, and we're going to set it to the side, and we're going to work on our potatoes. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the potatoes. When you are mixing your potatoes, you want to make sure that they are room temperature and not hot, because you are sure to get mashed potatoes. We're looking for potato salad, so we want chunks. So now we're going to add everything that we have already prepped into our potatoes and get that mixed in well. And we have our boiled eggs, our green onion, and then we're going to put our pimentos in and parsley. And we're going to get all that mixed together before we add that creamy, delicious dressing. Let's just take a moment and admire those beautiful colors. Now it's time to add our dressing. And we're going to add a little bit of dressing at a time until we get the exact moisture that we're looking for in a potato salad. Now guys, do not worry, this potato salad is not sweet. I know we have the sweetened condensed milk in here, but I promise you, with the lemon and all the other spices that we have in there, everything is balanced out beautifully. You will enjoy this. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and leave me some comments. Thank you. At this point, you want to taste your potato salad, and then you can adjust your seasonings to your liking. And you will see me add onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, sazon, and I'm also going to add some yellow mustard. And as I stated earlier, I have 5 different ways that I make potato salad. In this particular one, I am not going to add pickles. I know most of us are accustomed to adding sweet relish or dill pickles to our potato salad, but this particular one, I do not add any relish or dill pickles. But if you would like to, feel free. This is your potato salad. guys, I certainly hope you have been enjoying this video. It has been my pleasure to bring to you one of my versions of potato salad. Now we're going to go ahead and clean our bowl up a little bit, and we're going to top it off with the remainder of our hard-boiled eggs to make it look beautiful. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top of that. And we're going to be ready to taste it. But the finished product must sit and marinate at least 3 hours. The longer it sits, the better it is. When I tell you, you will not be disappointed in this potato salad. You will not be disappointed. So don't forget to be patient. Go ahead and wrap your potato salad, place it in the refrigerator, and let it sit for at least 3 hours. Those flavors going to marry together, and it's going to be chef kiss. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.